Okay, welcome back to another daily coding best practice from Dosen Ngoding. Today I will show you something about Laravel. Uh, this is a standard, there is a standard feature in Laravel where you can create data with pagination, and I have this data from a table called price, and then we have this pagination. This is very simple things. Uh, if I give this task to students or a junior programmer, they will easily done these things. Yeah, but there is something that can be improved from their codes. Usually, the codes will be looks like this one. Yeah, we have a controller with models. Yeah, price paginate 5, and then go to load the view and compact the price variables. Then what they will do is create a blade and then give a table with a table heading, and then for each for the prices. Nah, here on these things is usually okay, and then I give some test case. Yeah, what if the data is zero? What if there is no data in the tables? Then something happen like this. Yeah, we have this data and I delete. Then we go back here, reload, and then the table is ugly like this. Yeah, there is no information about. There is no data. It's just the heading. Then what will they do? They will be do something like this intuitively. Yeah, they will check if the price. Maybe they will do some count. If the count of the prices is greater than zero, then they will do something. They will show the they will show the table rows. Okay, and then yeah, there is nothing happen, yeah, because they do not add the else. So add else, then sorry, else, then something like this. Uh, there is no data. This is usually that what they will do. Yeah, my students, junior programmer that I have seen, have interviewed, but there is something better instead of doing this one. Yeah, we can use something called for else in the blade directive. Yeah, it looks like this one, the code. So you have this for else, yeah, identical with the for each. Yeah, it's the same code but just using for else. And then at the bottom we add blade directive at empty. So these empty parts will be shown if the data is there if there is no data in the price tables. So this code is more readable and better, I think, instead of you using if else in the blade. So maybe for next time, if you do something, you need to iterate the data in the blade, especially in the pagination. I recommend that we use for else instead of doing if check and then for each. So we can do like this, yeah. For else, the data, the rows, and then if there is no data, it will be show there is no data like this one. And if we reload, we get the same result. Yeah. Okay, that's it. The best practice for today. For more blade directive that can be useful in your blade files, you can check here on the documentation. Documentation is really comprehensive. Yeah, a lot of things that you need learn from this one, especially in the loop variables, and so many things. So spend time, read documentation, and then improve your code uh, bit by bit, so it will be much better soon. Okay, thank you. See you in another best practice video.